Hello and welcome back to another episode of Tock Tech Talk. Today it is all about Apple's AirPods Pro. So what's the most obvious difference with the AirPods Pro and the previous AirPods? The noise cancelling feature, of course. But how good is it? Well, the answer is very much so. It's a dramatic difference compared to the AirPods and one you won't be able to go back to once you try these. It's not dead silence if there's a fan turned on nearby, but if you're, say, in a busy cafe, it's the closest thing to silence that you'll be hearing. Also, there's a transparency option if you're going for a run or on the train and you don't want to miss any announcements or get hit by a car. So at least they managed to put that in as well. The battery life, is also pretty much on par with the AirPods, but with noise cancelling on, it averages about 4.5 hours listening time, and with the wireless charging case, like the AirPods, you basically get more than 24 hours. What's also great is that the AirPods Pro doesn't give me anxiety issues that I might lose one AirPod or the other while in transit because it fits so very much snugly in your ear, to the point that that ear fit is actually customizable because Apple has provided a few ear tips of different sizes. Oh, I can hear it immediately. So it's so comfortable, I often forget that I'm wearing them. And time's up. So here's the part where I dish out some tips and tricks for the product. TikTok tip talk time. So just like the AirPods Pro does come with some quick gestures that you can do, but instead of light taps, which you did on the previous AirPods, it now uses force sensor, so you really have to press it. But don't worry, it's still quite subtle. But since the stems are a little shorter right now, it might take some time to get used to when you're plugged in and you're trying to do this. So for example, some of the gestures that you can do is a quick press will play and pause your music. Play or pause your music. Press it 2 times, and it'll skip to the next song. Press it 3 times, and it'll play the song back from the beginning. So the most important one, of course, is to push and hold down, because this will change modes, whether from noise cancellation or transparency or turning it off completely. Or do it by your phone and hot press the volume control, which is just as easy. That's all the tips and tricks I have for today for the AirPods Pro. To be fair, there are a lot of competitive noise cancellation headphones out there, but this being Apple's first, it is above and beyond. And besides, now that it has a more snug fit and it is water and sweat resistant, it even works for workouts. So if you're only looking to spend on just one pair of noise cancelling headphones, this is great for everyday use. So thanks again for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. But otherwise, I'll see you next time, once you've tried these. And it's not this, I don't know what I'm saying. Can we try again? Oh my God. You know, or the other, because the stem is no more time. You know, especially if you are in a busy cafe and this is, let's try that again. I missed the whole line.